Ground covering plants plays major role in preventing weed spreading and adding best curb appeal with low maintenance. Let's explore 10 fast-growing ground covering plants for home landscaping. Sedum firecracker, a beautiful ground covering plant from Sedum family, grows quickly, with touch of mint green, dense. This well-branched and low-maintenance plant provides beautiful summer and fall color. It prefers full sun and grows well from zone 4 to 9. Lamb's Ear, a fast-spreading and pretty ground cover perennial that does best in sunny areas. It is grown for its thick, silvery foliage that creates a softly textured mat in the garden. Purple Heart, a fast-spreading, beautiful low-maintenance ground-covering perennial plant that grows beautiful small flower clusters that range from violet to pink. Purple Heart plant is best option for bordering areas in flower beds, steep areas of the garden landscaping, as well as for container gardening. Evening Primrose, also known as Mexican Primrose, a fast-spreading native perennial plant, with pink blooms from spring to summer season. Be cautious, it is very invasive ground-covering plant. If you do not want it to take over of your garden, pull the roots out at the end of the season. Creeping Phlox, a low-growing, evergreen perennial that grows well in tough places. Creeping Phlox is the perfect option to bring a splash of color to a rock garden areas or for a best ground covering plant in open spaces. It blooms attractive and vibrant pink stripes in spring season and keeps beautiful green foliage. Liriope, known botanically as Liriope spicata, is a fast-growing evergreen ground cover plant that spreads quickly to form a thick carpet of green foliage. Spikes of lavender, pale violet flowers bloom in late spring to summer season. Liriope, a very drought-tolerant, fast-spreading ground cover plant for bordering areas, as well as slope areas of the home garden. If you feel the content of this video is useful, please like the video for channel encouragement. Ajuga, also known as carpet bugleweed, is a low-growing creeping ground cover with handsome evergreen foliage, comes in deep burgundy chocolate shades, as well as in mint green. Ajuga is typically grown in shady locations but will thrive just as well in the sun. Spikes of blue blooms forms, interesting look during late spring to summer time. Sedum perennial plants. Most of Sedum family plants are very dense, low-growing ground-covering plants, which are very drought-tolerant and easy to maintain. Lemon ball sedum and blue spruce sedum are popular ground-covering plants from Sedum family. These versatile sedum plants are easy to grow in rock gardening areas, as well as in containers. Creeping mazus, also known as Mazus reptans, is fast-growing, ground-covering plant, with bright apple-green mats of spatulate leaves that are usually evergreen. A perfect plant for use between stepping stones, in pathways, or for a carpet-like ground cover, where the soil stays consistently moist to wet. Ice plant quickly forms a low carpet of succulent foliage that adds texture and interest to landscaping areas. Ice plant produces vibrant purple, pink, or yellow daisy-like flowers throughout the summer. It's very drought-tolerant and deer-resistant ground-covering perennial plant, perfect for sunny slopes or rock gardens. I hope you enjoyed the content of this video. Please consider to like the video and subscribe to House Talks channel for more interesting home and gardening videos. A new video will be shared every weekend. Thank you, have a great day.